Good evening, students. Now I am teaching 9th class squares. Square root. Okay. Find the values of square root 2. Okay. Actually, the value of square root is 1.414 and so on. Here we don't know that actually root 2 is a irrational number. How we can find the root 2 value? Okay. Here, how we can find by using long division method or dot division method. Okay. First one, square. Square means a digit or a number multiply with itself is called square. Is called square of a digit or a number. For example, 3 here. 3 into 3, that is 3 square. Okay, 3 is multiplied with 3. 9 into 9, 9 square. 10 into 10, 10 square. This is the square. Okay, perfect square. Perfect square. Perfect square means a number can be write as product of two equal digits or numbers. Digits or numbers is called perfect square of a number. Perfect square of a number. Okay, ma? So, what is called perfect square of a number? A number can be write as product of two equal digits and numbers. Okay, so how? For suppose 16. 16 is a number. That 16 we can write as product of two equal numbers. That is 4 4 ja. 100 we can write as 10 10 ja. 400 we can write as 20 20 ja. Okay, the 400 we can write as product of two equal numbers. Therefore, the 400 is called perfect square of a number. Okay, so next, square root of a number. Perfect square of a number. A multiple of a perfect square of a number. Square of a number is called square root of a number. Square root of a number. Okay, ma? Square root of a number means a multiple of a perfect square of a number. For example, ma, here 4. 4 is a perfect square. As it is a 4, we can write as 2 into 2. So, perfect square means what? A number can be write as product of two equal number. Okay, here the 4 is a multiple of 2. So here the 2 is called square root of 4. Okay, here for suppose 25, we can write as 5 into 5. That is equal 5 square. Okay, so here 25 is a square of 5. 5 is a square root of 25. 5 is a square root of 25. Here for square root of perfect square, it is become rational. Square root of non-perfect square of number is irrational. Okay, here 4 and 25, 16, 36, 64, 81, 100. These all are perfect squares. Their square root is become rational. Remaining non-perfect squares all are irrational numbers. Okay, for example, here 2. 2 is not a perfect square, so this square root is become irrational. Okay, root 3 it is irrational. Root 5 irrational. Okay, here square root 4. 4 is a perfect square. The 4 we can write as 2 square. Here we can get as 2. 2 is become rational. Okay, so here to find the square root, there is two methods are there. Actually, there is two methods. There are first one prime factorized method. Next one long division method or dot division method. to find square root of any number, there is two methods are there. First one is prime factorization method. Next one is dot division method or long division method. Example. For example, square root of 196. Okay, here to find the square root of 196, here there is two methods are there. First method is prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. So prime factorization means what, ma'am? Any number can be write as product of prime factors. Okay, product of power of prime numbers is called prime factorization. So here, how we can find the square root of any number? How we can find? We can write as prime factorization. After write the prime factorization, we can divide into two equal parts. We can divide into two equal multiple. Okay, any one multiple is a square root of a given number. So here 196 now. Here the 196 we can divide with prime number. Prime factorization is what, ma? The number can be write as product of prime numbers. Okay, here we can divide with prime numbers. Here to 9 ja to 8 ja. Next to 4 ja to 9 ja. Next 7 ja 7 1 ja. Okay, so here the 196 we can write as 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Here how many prime factors are there? Two prime factors. These two prime factors you can divide into two equal parts. That is here 2, 2. Next the 7s also we can divide into two parts. That is 7, it is 7. So 2 into 7 is one part, 2 into 7 is one part. 2 7 ja 14 into 14. So here 196. We can add as 14 into 14. So 196 is a multiples of 14. Okay, this 14 is a square root of 196. So that is the square root of 196 is equal 14. Okay, so here a power n is equal x summa. Here the n we can write as n by 1. This n by 1 is going to right side is become reciprocal. That is a is equal x power 1 by n. This x power 1 by n we can write as nth root x. Here the root is called radical sign or surd. The n is called order. The x is called positive rational number. Okay, the n here, the order of the surd is here, the condition is it is greater than or equal to 2. Okay, that means the value of n is greater than 2 or equal to. If it is less than 2, here how much more? For suppose less than 2 means 1, n is equal to 1, then a is equal x power 1 by 1. Here we can write as a is equal x. So that is here n is greater than or equal to. Okay, so here if n is greater than n is equal to, it is become square root. It is become square root x. So this simply we can write as square root starting number. N is equal 3. Here we can write as cube root x. N is equal 4, fourth root. N is equal 5, fifth root. N is equal 6, sixth root. Okay, so this is prime factorization method. Next one is dot division method. Next one, dot division method. To find square root of any number by using dot division method. For example, mom, here square root of 2025. Okay, same division ela chestamo. Same. How we can divide? Same as it is, ma. In the division we can draw the one dot. Here with one digit. Here we can draw one dot. For example, mom, here 92, mom. 92 is divided by 3. Okay. Okay. Divided by 3, mom. 927 is divided by 3, mom. So how we can divide here? One digit. Here also take that one digit. Okay. So that is here 3 3 ja 9. The remainder is 0. We can draw 2. Here 927 is divided by 3. That means the 3 is divides every digits. Okay. In the 3 table not divide 2. So 3 0 0. 0 is multiplied with anything. You can get the same. So here 2 from 2 we can subtract 0. That is 2. Another next draw 7. Same here also same you can draw. Okay, dot division. That means you can put the dots. Here what is the number here? 2025. Okay, here we can put the dots for every 2 digits from right side. Okay, so it is one dot, it is one dot. Okay, now next what you do? Here the first dot from left to first dot. What is that first dot? 20. So here what asking that here? Square root. The first dot is what asking here? Square root. Okay, so here the 20 is nearest to which perfect square? Okay, what are the perfect squares? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Okay, 20 is nearest to which perfect square ma? 16. 16 how we can get? 4 4 ja. Okay, that means here we can divide with 4 4 ja. That is equal 16. From 20 we can subtract 16. We can get as 4. Next draw one dot. Under the one dot how many digits are there? 2 digits. Here we can write as 425. Next the double of the 4 is how much ma? 8. Double 4 plus 4 8 or 4 plus 4 8. Okay, so next how we can do that? So 8 is beside the 8 we can put 1 multiply with the same 1, that is 81. 82 into 2 that is equal 164. 83 into 3 that is equal 249. 84 into 4 that is equal 336. Here which number here? 425. Okay, so here 336. Next digit 5 ja. 5 5 ja 25. 5 5 8 ja 40. 40 plus 2 42. So here which digit is satisfying ma here? 5. So 5. So that is how much? 425. The remainder is how much ma? 0. So the quotient of a number after division, the quotient of a number is square root. That is here square root of 2025 is equal 45. So this is the dot division method. Next one. Find the value of root 2. Here square root 2. 2 is not a perfect square. It is a non-perfect square. So root 2 is an irrational number. Okay, how we can find the root 2 value? By using dot division method. We cannot find by using prime factors method. Why 2 we can write as only 2 to 1 ja. Okay, so here find the root 2 value by using dot division method. Okay, how we can do that? Here 2. Put the point. After the point you can put the zeros. There is no values. So we can put number of zeros 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, so and so on ma. Okay, we can put infinite zeros. Okay, so here put the dot from right side for every 2 digits. Here the 2 is nearest to which perfect squares? 1. Okay, the 1 how we can write? 1 1 ja. So that means we can divide with 1 ja, that is 1. Here 1. Here point means here also we can put the point. Next draw one dot. That is how much you can get ma? 100. Okay. How much ma? You can get 100. Next one double ma? 2. Here. After the 2 you can put 1. 2 1 ja. 21 1 ja 21. 21 2 ja 21 is not satisfied ma. Here 100. Okay, so here 22 2 ja 44. 23 3 ja 69. 24 4 ja 96. 25 5 ja 125. In the division here how much ma? 100. So which number is the less than the 100? 96. That means which digit is satisfied ma here? 4. Okay, so that is how much ma? 96. From 100 we can subtract 96. We can get 4. Draw one dot. That is 100. Okay, here next double of the 24 is how much ma? 48. Oh, 28 ma. 2 4 4 double ma? 8. That is 28. Okay, 1 double 2 ma. Next 24. So unit digit here 4 double is how much ma? 28. Next 28. Put the 1 multiply with 1. 281 1 ja 282. Next 2 ja, that is 2 2 ja 4. 2 8 is 16. 2 2 ja 4 plus 1 564. So which is the nearest to 400 mark? 282. That is which digit? 1 job. So that is here 282. Here 8. Here 9 1. Okay, from 10 we can subtract 2 8. 9 from 8 1. Okay, here 3 3 to 1. Next draw another dot. That is 0 0. Next one double. How much more? 2 282. Okay, next set 282 1 job. That is 2821. Next 2 job. That is 4 4 6 5. Next 3 job. 9 6 4 8 job. Next 4 job. That is 4 4 job. 16 9 32 8 11. So 11,296. Which digit is satisfy my here? 4. Okay, so that is 11296. That is here 4 0 5. Next draw another dot. Like that we can get, there is no ending the remainder, there is no get quotient. So it is irrational number. So that is here root 2 value is 1.414 and so on. So this number cannot be written in the form of P by Q. The numbers cannot be written in the form of P by Q. That numbers are called irrational number. Here the root 2 is irrational number. So this is the way to find the root 2 value by using dot division method or long division method.